Alright. We're gonna head down from here off the start. Alright. Clear out both of these rooms. It's a slime room up top and a Oryx room down bottom. Alright, we're gonna head down from here, guys. Head down. Keep heading down. Don't shoot. Okay. Minus first room. Keep clearing it out. Watch out for the Mario. Sorry, I was giving somebody a dot. 2 Marios, watch out. Keep pushing up, keep pushing up. Another Oryx room. Alright, we're gonna skip left here. Or not left, right, my bad. Let's get a marble seal down. Okay, it's crew, stun and slow. Please don't decoy. Stun and slow, stun and slow. Please don't. Okay, it's a human decoy. Commander's dead. Clear out remnants. We'll go left. Keep going. Go up. Alright, let's head up along the left side wall. Please get a marble seal up. Go up on left wall. People are going up right even though I called left. Clear out this Mario. T room, unlucky. Watch out for the Mario. Head back and keep going down from here. It's a crew, stun and slow, stun and slow. Watch out. Please don't decoy him. Alright, commander's in group, commander's dead. Clear out remnants. Please don't stasis either, just makes runs go slower. Keep heading down. We're gonna head left from here. Head left. It's a slime, let's get a stun on it, knights, please push up. Thank you for the marble seal. We'll keep heading down from here. Watch out for the Mario. It's an Oryx room. Actually, we're gonna turn around and go up here. That's gonna be pot since that's only a right. Come back and go up. Alright, we're gonna skip left after we kill this Mario. Kill the Mario, and then we'll skip left. It's gonna be a slime room left as well. Kill this Mario. Kill this Mario. Alright, let's get some marble seals down and let's skip left. The Oryx room. If it goes left, we'll continue going left. If not, we'll go down. Go along the top wall. Okay, go down, go down. It's another Oryx room. We'll skip to the left here. Clear out a couple. Alright, let's get some marble seals and go left. Go left. It's a slime room. Knights, please get a stun on that slime. Alright, good. Push up on the slime. Knights have a stun on it. We'll head up from here. Please don't peek down. We're going up, guys. We're going up. Clear out a couple otters. We're going to skip left. Alright, go ahead. Skip left. Skip left. Crew, stun and slow. Stun and slow. Back up into the hallway. Commander's in group. Commander's in group. Stun and slow. Stun and slow. It's on a human decoy right now. Keep stunning. Alright, good. Push up on remnants. Clear out remnants. Get a marble seal on left side and push left. Don't get armor broken. Alright, we'll head up from here. It's going to be another slime room. Knights, please get a stun on the slime. Let's push up here. Push up. Alright, watch out for that blinding tower. Keep pushing up. It's going to be a golem room. Watch out for this golem in the hallway. Don't get sat on. Push this big boy back. Kill this angry boy. What's right? Okay, there we go. Make sure we have marble seals down. Thank you. It's a bit of a late call. My fault. Get to the top of MBC. Don't sit on him, don't send on him. Back off, back off. Get your damage in. Watch out for tentacles, do not get paralyzed into the tentacles. I want everybody to rotate, everybody rotate with him. Rotate, keep rotating. Alright, let's follow this key, let's follow this key. Make sure we dodging these silences. Priest, keep up the heals. Drag him top right. Drag him top right. If you're not dragging, it's best to sit on the wall. Watch out for the tower, it's a respawn. Priest, make sure we're peering these confuses. When he spits out that key, I want everybody to follow the key. Everybody follow the key, follow the key. Keep following the key. On to the next key. Lucky. Alright. Get some marble seals in deep. Alright, I want everybody to follow the key, the outer key. Rotate with it. Don't get paralyzed. Let's get a stun on the stage tower, please. You're going to want to rotate towards bottom of boss. Slow. Priest, make sure you're peering. The late call. Watch out for pop rocks. Alright, we're going to hit outer key first, coming from the right. Outer key, outer key, outer key. And push up for mid. Bad rotation. Or that's inner. My bad. Now get mid. Alright, good. Priest, make sure we're peering here. Inner's coming around, inner's coming around. Bad rotation. We can still get it, we can still get it. Good. Got it. Go to the left of MBC. You get paralyzed, you're a red star here. Alright, this is useless phase. So, anybody got any questions for me? Story time? My mom flipped me into a, off of a four-wheeler into a mud pool when I had a broken arm. Alright, back off. Patties, easy tank. Dodge left and right, don't rely on heals. More spaghettis, easy tank, easy tank. Void spaghettis, easy tank. We have these marble seals. Tank. Patties, and he's dead. Use your loot potions if you need to. Good luck on your loot. Main vial, are you still here? Who is main vial? Oh, somebody popped? Okay. That works out. Put a 1 in chat if you have a Dex Fusion. No Dex Fusion? Alright, that's fine. You have a Def Fusion? Easy load zone, hopefully. I hope you guys get the whites that you want, dude. Alright, I want everybody rotating with boss. Priest, make sure you're using Puri. In case somebody gets confused, I don't want anybody dying. Keep rotating. Alright, there's our half split. If you don't rotate, clear out minions. Help with minions, don't let them go. I don't want them stacking up like last time. Alright, rotate with boss, rotate with boss. Alright, there's our 4 split. Split evenly. If your group has trouble with minions right now, call it out so we can get rid of them. Looks like our groups are decently split right now. Ooh, I'm low. Rotating, rotating. Top right, top right. Alright, I'm going up. Alright. This looks under control for the most part. Like we got this. Bottom right. Alright, I'm going over there next. Go mid, go mid. Stun and stasis, big boys. Pushing for your damage. Pushing for your damage. Let's see if we can push them out. Come on, push them, push them. We get it. Let's go. Zero shrink, good DPS. I mean, we didn't even have that many warrior reacts, so. Best TRL. I've had 2 zero shrinks for my TRL run, so. It's not necessarily a TRL, it's if you have good DPS for the group. I don't like taking all the credit for it. Alright, big boy at the front of your platforms. Stun and paralyze. Three big boys at the back of your platforms. Watch out for Star Wars, don't tank these. They hurt. Call it if you need a buff on your platform. Bottom left pally. Can we get a pally to go bottom left? Need stun here. You gotta say where you need the stun. Samurai. Oh, did somebody try crossing? Big boss tried crossing. That's an F. That's an F in chat. Alright, this is last big boy, and then go to the edge of your platform, get ready to full rotate with your void copy. Full rotating is much safer. And we have a zero shrink, so it's much easier to rotate. If you're not rotating, please take care of minions, let's not let them stack up. There's a big boy on bottom left. When you come around bottom left, let's take care of him. Don't let him stack up. Alright, go back to rotating. Let's take care of this medium boy. Let's not let him evolve. Good. It's 1 dead. 2 dead. There's another big boy bottom left. Let's handle him. 3 dead, 4 dead. Alright, I'll count out 12 shotguns after that. Going for your damage. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Sun and Stasis big boys going for damage, going for damage. Alright, I want an F in chat for Big Boss Big. Yeah, somebody's gonna get a white here, guys. Somebody's bound to get a white. Dude, okay, so we had 2 people get omnis today, and in both runs, a RL had died in both runs when they got omnis. It's just the luck, dude. I got a life mana unlucky. Well, that's another zero shrink run from a TRL. Yup. Your boy staying a TRL forever.